Hello and welcome to AI for Developers. I'm Chaitanya Talking Bot. Today's lesson is titled NLP, Teaching AI to Understand and Talk Like Us. What if your computer could understand your casual chat, answer your questions, or even write a story? That's the magic of natural language processing. NLP. Think of it like teaching a foreign language to a super smart robot. For developers, NLP opens up a world of possibilities, letting you build applications that truly interact with humans using our most natural form of communication, language. You see, hello world, as two words with meaning. A computer, however, only understands numbers and structured data. It sees text as a jumble of characters without inherent meaning. So, how do we bridge this fundamental gap? Our first challenge as developers is to transform messy, unstructured human text into a format a machine can process, effectively turning words and sentences into numbers that the AI can learn from. This is where your journey into practical NLP begins. Before a computer can learn from text, we need to tidy it up. Imagine you're organizing a messy library. You wouldn't just throw everything in. Key developer tasks here include tokenization, breaking sentences into individual words or tokens, like separating books, e.g., I love AI becomes I love AI, lowercasing, converting all text to lowercase so apple and apple are treated as the same word. Stop words removal, getting rid of common, less important words like the, is that add little meaning. Like removing empty shelves, stemming lemmatization, reducing words to their root form. Running, runs, ran, all become run. These are your first programmatic steps using libraries to clean your text data. Now that our text is clean, how do we turn words into numbers the computer can understand? Bag of words. Bow. This is a simple starting point. Imagine a dictionary. We assign each unique word a number. Then, for a sentence, we count how many times each word appears. I love AI. AI is fun, might be represented as I. 1. Love. 1. AI. 2. Is. 1. Fun. 1. It tells us what words are present in their frequency, but not their relationships. Word embeddings. The smart way. A more advanced concept. Instead of just a count, we represent words as multidimensional vectors. Lists of numbers, where words with similar meanings are closer to each other in this numerical space. Think of it like plotting words on a map where king is near queen and man is near woman. With similar directional relationships, this allows the AI to grasp semantic meaning. As a developer, you'll often use pre-trained embedding models. Knowing what individual words mean is great, but human language is all about context. Apple, the fruit, is different from apple, the company. How does AI grasp this nuance? Modern NLP models, like those based on asterisk transformers, are designed to read an entire sentence, or even paragraphs, and understand how words relate to each other. They don't just look at words individually. They consider the surrounding words. It's like a detective reading a whole paragraph to understand the true meaning of a particular sentence. As a developer, you'll often leverage these powerful, pre-built models, or their APIs, that have already learned from vast amounts of text data. Once an AI understands, it can also talk back. From answering questions to writing essays, text generation is a powerful NLP capability. Simple generation. Think of predictive text on your phone. It suggests the next word based on what you've typed. Large language models, LLMs. These are the superstars you hear about, like ChatGPT. They've been trained on an enormous amount of text data, allowing them to generate coherent, creative, and contextually relevant responses. They essentially predict the next best word, thousands of times over, to construct an entire sentence or paragraph. Developers can leverage these LLMs through APIs or even fine-tune them for specific tasks, opening up incredible possibilities. NLP isn't just theory. It's woven into the fabric of our digital lives. As a developer, these are the kinds of impactful applications you can build. Chatbots and virtual assistants, Siri, Alexa, customer service bots, machine translation, Google Translate, breaking down language barriers, sentiment analysis, understanding if a customer review is positive, negative, or neutral, spam detection, filtering junk mail from your inbox, autocorrect and predictive text, improving your typing experience, summarization, condensing long articles or documents into key points. These are all practical problems that NLP helps solve, making everyday life easier and more efficient. Ready to start building your own intelligent language applications? Here's how to begin. Learn Python. It's the undisputed go-to language for AI and NLP, thanks to its extensive libraries. Explore key libraries. NLTK, Natural Language Toolkit, excellent for beginners to grasp fundamental text processing concepts. Spacy, a more advanced and efficient library, great for production-ready NLP pipelines. Hugging Face Transformers, your gateway to using and building with state-of-the-art models like LLMs, often with just a few lines of code. Start with small, tangible projects, like building a simple sentiment analyzer or a basic chatbot. The NLP world is vast, exciting, and perfectly suited for your developer skills. Thanks for watching. If you found this helpful, make sure to subscribe to our channel and hit the like button.